We working on today. Goddamn dollar bill.
Yeah, baby. See it.
Boy Shepherd making the cutouts for the 6x9, 5 1/4 in the rear deck, 6 1/2 in the front door. About to start putting that dash in. You know we sitting on them callers. Got his nitrous bottle to the back.
You gonna move the nitrous bottle?
Got all of the RCA jacks, speaker wires. We got all those wires ran to the back. Got some kickers. 310s he about to throw back there. Little light work, little light work. Got his LS up under this bitch. Project Dollar Bill. Dollar Bill. Shepherd down there making something.
Good cut out.
Mm-hmm. Y'all see it? Got this motherfucker apart. Got it all. Suede Wolf! Oh, I know y'all didn't think I forgot about that. Can't forget about my wolf. Hey, we closing this bitch on off, man. Closing Dollar Bill on off. Working over here in the back cave. One in the stash. Y'all see it. Got another in the stash. Y'all see it. A little light work. Hey, I'll keep y'all in tune. I will keep y'all in tune. Dollar Bill about ready for the squeaks. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Tell your mammy. Tell your aunts. Show your boys some love. Some love with something sticking out of there.